Student, welcome to our history class. In last period, we completed our 4.3 agriculture, animal husbandry and economic and social life. Now let us start our next point. Religious ideas. Our 4.4 is religious ideas. In the religious ideas of the Vedic period, forces of nature such as the sun, wind, rain, lightning, storms, rivers were given the form of deities. Here student, our 4.4. In last video we complete the 4 ashram. Brahmacharya Grihasthashram, Vanprasthashram and Sannyasashram. Here now let us start the point 4.4 religious ideas. In the religious ideas of the Vedic period, forces of nature such as the sun, wind, rain, lightning, storms and rivers were given the form of deities. Vedic compositions pray them to become life-giving forces. The Vedic people put offering into the yajna fire to please them. These offerings were called havi. Yajna is the act of offering heavy into fire. Initially the yajna rites were simple. Later on the rules of the yajna became harder and harder. The importance of priests went to the increasing. Here the picture of yajna. People in the Vedic period had thought about how the natural phenomenon occur. Summer is followed by the rainy season. Summer is followed by rainy season and rainy season by winter season. You know student, how many seasons? 3. Summer, rainy and winter. Summer is followed by rainy season. Rainy season by winter. This is regular cycle in nature. You know the regular cycle in nature. The cycle in nature and the life cycle that moved with it were termed by the Vedic period as Rita. The life of all living being is the part of cycle in the nature. Disturbance in the cycle of nature leads to calamities. You know student, when disturbance in our nature, atmosphere creates the calamities, main complications. Everyone should be careful not to let it happen. Nobody should break the laws of nature. You know student, when we break the laws of nature, many complications create in our life. It was believed the following, these rules was to follow dharma. Let us discuss what could be the causes that upset the cycle of nature. What can you make to avoid it? For example, what will you do for the effective management of drinking water when there is scanty rainfall? You know student, in rainy season, very main problem is drinking water. So you complete this point. Then next point is political system. Our 4.5 is political system. In the Vedic period, each village had a head known as Gramni. In Vedic period, each village had a head known as Gramni. A group of villages form a Vish, whose head was called Vishpati. Several Vish form a Jana. Later, when a Jana settled into a specific region, it came to be known as Janpad. The head of the Jana was known as the Nripa and Raja. Raja means king. The main duties of the king were to protect people. You know student, the main duties of king is the protect to the people, collect taxes and run the administration efficiently. The main duties of the king were to protect the people, collect tax and run the administration efficiently. In order to run the administration smoothly, the king appointed various officers. In the administration, many peoples like their appointment. The Purohit means priest and the Senapati of the army were officer of the special importance. The officer who collected the taxes was known as Bhagdug. Bhag means share. Bhag means part, share. The person who collect the king's share of the produce of yajna called Bhagdug. The definition of Bhagdug, the person who collect the king's share of the produce of yajna was called Bhagdug. There were 4 institutions who guided the king: Sabha, Samiti, Vidhat and Yajna. There were 4 institutions who guided the king. Which are these? Sabha, Samiti, Vidhat and Yajna. The people of the state participated The people of the state participated in their working. Women too. The people of state participated in their working. Women also participated in their work. Participated in working of Sabha and Vidat. The Sabha consists of senior citizen of the state, whereas the Samiti was general body of the people. In this paragraph, the Sabha consisted of senior citizen. Sabha consisted senior citizen of the state, whereas the Samiti was general body of people. Later on in the Vedic thought, Samiti and Puranas were composed. After the period of time, the religious stream based on the Veds, Samitis, Purans and local traditions came to known as the Hinduism. In last paragraph, along with the Vedic stream, there were other religious trends which took a different position from the Vedic one regarding Yajna rites and Yajna system. We will learn more about them in the next chapter. Here student, complete our 4th chapter, the Vedic civilization. In this chapter we complete the some points. The Vedic literature, family system, day-to-day life, agriculture, animal husbandry, economic and social life. Then 4th point is religious ideas. Then 5th point is political system. Here complete our lesson for the Vedic civilization.